Sup nerds, in today's video I have built this AI journalist Discord bot which reports to us the latest AI news every week. And I'm gonna go in detail into how this is built so you could put it together for yourselves. But before we jump into it, if you're interested in mastering N8n or having me build a custom automation for your business, hit the link below and set up a free one-on-one call with me to discover the possibilities. Now let's get dangerous. So it all starts with this schedule trigger here, pretty basic. It has all the settings in here that you could, for example, if you wanted it to run every couple of hours, you could, or, every few seconds you could. This thing is pretty darn flexible. There's even like a custom setup option. We don't need that for today. We just need it to run every Monday at 9 a.m. And you can see here in the get query node, this just looks for all the different queries that we have. Currently, I just have it set up to search for artificial intelligence, but there's room to do a couple more. If you can even like add a row if you want and have like a couple that it cycles through based on like a random number generator or something like that if you want to get fancy. This loop node is just going to loop through each search query, and this AI agent is going to use SERP API to look up 3 sources for our search query. You see it gets one right there, and your professional AI research assistant that delivers concise, up-to-date industry intelligence. And nothing too crazy here. We pretty much just tell it what it receives and what output we want. Quick side note, but GPT-5 Nano is a fantastic chat model for those who are looking to save money. I believe it's only half a cent per million tokens. So you can get a lot of mileage out of this thing. And then the SERP API tool just searches the internet, nothing too crazy. And then we have a couple of code nodes that put everything together just in case our AI agent has a couple of different queries and pumps out multiple search reports, then it will be able to merge them. And then this Discord node shoots off a message that contains our final research report. And you can see an example of said research report right here. Look at this. OpenAI lays groundwork for juggernaut IPO at up to $1 trillion valuation. That is nuts. This is just the beginning. Imagine if you set this thing up to automate stock alerts or the latest intel on your industry you need to get an edge on your competitors. The possibilities for this thing, the sky really is the limit if you want to get crazy with this thing. So it looks pretty basic, but there's a lot of different valuable directions that you could take this thing. But anyway, pretty quick, just something I wanted to show you guys. If you are interested in mastering N8n or having me build a custom automation for your business, feel free to hit the link below and set up a free one-on-one call with me to discover the possibilities. And with that, be sure to leave a like, share your thoughts with the class, and before you subscribe, make sure you know what you're doing, because it ain't easy being at the top. I'll see you guys next time.